Welcome everyone, happy that you found some time to join our course Building dApps with the help of SubQuery. My name is Marta Adamczyk, Technology Evangelist at SubQuery, and I'm here to show you how quick it is, how fast it is to build your own project with SubQuery. So let's jump in. The main goal of the whole course is for you to get familiar with SubQuery. SubQuery is an open, flexible indexer that allows you to take data from blockchain, transform it into the shape you need it, and then consume it within your application. This way you don't have to worry about indexer. You can focus on what's the most important part, which is developing your app. So this is our mission. This is the goal of this course, and hopefully the result of it for you. Looking at the overview of the whole course, we will start with a quick introduction into what SubQuery is and how is it integrated with Moonbeam. We will also start with a simple project through SubQuery CLI. This is the place where we start coding. We will also index Substrate event alongside Moonbeam data. We will explore data mutation, relationships in SubQuery, and also some advanced ideas, follow up by a quick recap at the end of the course. In terms of preparation, make sure that before lesson 2 you install required software, which would be Docker and Node. In terms of recommended environments, everything is perfectly fine and works great with Mac OS and Linux. If you are on Windows, consider setting up virtual machine, because Docker can cause some troubles for Windows users. You will get the most out of this course if you follow the tutorial. That's it. Just follow each step carefully. Maybe you can consider having 2 screens, one with our course, one with your code, to make sure you follow all the details. Make sure also to answer all the questions below each lesson. They are required actually to move to the next lesson, and also answering all of those quizzes is required for completing the whole course. So make sure you answer all of them. If you stumble upon any technical issue, make sure to reach out to us. You can join our Discord. We have a growing community there. You can ask your questions on technical support channel or any other. The link to our Discord and other resources like our documentation or other social media channels you will find in the resources below this video, and also in the top menu bar, I guess above me. Yeah, so make sure you take a look also there. If you have any feedback for us in terms of what else should we cover, what's missing, any interesting questions, make sure you reach out to us as well. It could be also in different contexts, like our YouTube channel or our documentation. So explore everything, learn as much as you can, and if you have any feedback, it would be appreciated. That's it. Thank you for joining. Let's start building your first SubQuery project. I see you in the next lesson. Bye.